This is the ASL vocabulary for lesson 5. The first one is for, like not the number 4, but like for breakfast or for lunch or things like that. Okay, so how do you do 4 is you just take your index finger, put it at the right side of your forehead, and then flip it out. 4, okay, like this. 4, okay, 4, all right? The next one is breakfast. Breakfast, all the food signs are just to the right, okay, just to the right of your chin. You never, very rarely will you put a sign in front of your lips because many deaf people read lips. So, so now we have breakfast. Okay, so breakfast is just to the side of your chin and your lips, right here. You will initialize breakfast, which will be a B and then a K, all right? So breakfast. Breakfast, all right? So then for lunch, you do an L and you put your thumb on the side of your chin. Now make sure it's over to this side because it's a different sign if you put it in the front. Okay, so it's just over to the side on that same side on the right side of your cheek. So you have lunch. Then for dinner, you have a D. Now make your D and put your thumb and your fingers on your chin, like so. Dinner, okay, so you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? The next one is eat or food, which is actually this O, smashed O sign. I think we used it quite a bit last week. This smashed O, and you put it right on that same place as where you did breakfast, lunch, dinner, dinner. Now you just make this smashed O shape and you put it right side on there. This can be food, eat, whatever. Usually the verb is one time, the nouns are twice, so eat would be one time, food would be twice, but it's the same thing. They'll know what you guys will know what you're talking about. Okay, now I wanted to do some food. So the first food thing that we're going to learn, so we're going to talk about eating breakfast. So the first food thing that we're going to learn is eggs. So you take your 2 fingers, put them together on both hands. The right one goes on top of the left, and you put them down. Well, I don't know how you would say this, but it's like you're breaking the eggs. That's where it comes from, or what it's like, okay? So you have eggs, all right? Oh, it's kind of like the name. You start with the name sign, and then you split it and go down. So eggs. Next one is bacon. You take those same hand shapes, okay? You put them like so, right towards each other, and you're going to draw the bacon like it's curly, or not curly, but wrinkly, I guess. So you go like this, bacon. Okay, so it looks like this, bacon, but palms down, bacon. So you can say for breakfast, I have eggs and bacon, all right? Okay, pancakes, or you can say pancakes and bacon. Pancakes are, you take your left hand, you put it flat, palm up. You take your right hand, also palm up, put it on top of it. So this is like your pancake and this is like the stove. And then you flip it up and over, like you're flipping the pancake. Okay, so pancakes. So I had pancakes and bacon. Okay, pancakes. Okay, the next one is cook. So you take that same hand, let's see, only you put your palm down, okay? Your right hand is palm down on top of it, and you flip it over. Cook, cook. So you're cooking things. It's like you're flipping things. So the pancake starts big and you go over. It doesn't matter. So if you want to start it the same with the left hand or right hand palm up, bake or pancakes, you go like that. If you want to do cook, you can start it with that same way and then just flip it over. So if you want to flip it that way or that way, it doesn't matter. Okay, so cook. Out is out or outside. So we have in, which you make with your left hand. You make a cup, I guess. So you can put the whatever is in your right hand in. So this is in and out. Out. Okay. So if you want to say, I want to go out to eat. Okay. Out. The next one is restaurant. So it's another food sign, so it'll be near the mouth. So you make an R with your right hand. You start on the right side of your chin and you move it to the left. Restaurant. I want to go out to eat at a restaurant. Okay? Favorite. Favorite is you take your 5 hand, you take the middle finger, and you put the middle finger on your chin like this, okay? Favorite. This is also like prefer. Okay, so you could say my favorite restaurant and then finger spell what it is. Okay, so favorite is like this. Next one is store. So, because we can talk about going shopping to the store now, or going to the store and buying some food, or just going to the store. Okay, so you take that same hand shape that you use for food or eat, you take both of them and you flip it out twice, okay, like this. Store, okay, store. All right, it's kind of like you have the money in your hand and you're spending the money, okay, you're moving it out. So, okay, more. Good. I'm so glad we're using the same hand shapes a lot, so it helps. It makes it easier. Okay, so you take those hand shapes that you would use for food, do both hands, face them towards each other, and hit it twice. More. I want more food. Okay, more. The next one is water, so it's also up by your mouth. You make a W and you initial it just like you did breakfast, lunch, dinner. Water is the W at your chin. Okay, and then drink is you make a cup. So you make a C hand. You put it like you're making a cup. This is also how you would say a cup, okay, or a glass. Okay, so you take your cup like this, okay, and you pour it towards your mouth. So drink. So I want a drink of water, okay? I want a drink of water. All right. Oh, and then the days of the week. Okay, so now we have Sunday. These are all basically initialized. The only one that's different is Sunday. Okay, so Sunday is both hands palm out, and you move it up to down. Sunday. Okay, the rest of them are all initialized with your palm turned towards you. So Monday is with the M, turn it towards you and circle it. Monday. Okay, same as with Tuesday. Be sure you turn the palm towards you because remember this is restroom. So you turn it towards you and you circle. Tuesday. Wednesday is with a W. Thursday is with an H to the side because Tuesday and Thursday both start with T and we've already used T. So Thursday, Friday is with a F. See, with the F, turn towards you. Friday, circle. And Saturday is with a S, turns towards you, circle. Saturday, okay? So you could say, Saturday, I want to go out to eat, okay? Saturday, I want to go out to eat, okay? All right, see you in class.